Okay guys, so I'm going to tell you how we are going to do fluency. So anytime you are on math and it says, for example, like today, if you went to math, it said math fluency. Every now and then you may have a fluency. This is how we're going to do fluency. So you're going to go to this yellow grade 5 math fluency workbook. Okay. And it'll tell you which one to open to. So your directions today say open your yellow fluency math workbook and flip to page 3. Okay, so if we did that, this is what we would see. Okay, so it says A up at the top, lesson 1 sprint 5.1. Okay, so just like in the past, your fluency is going to be like it was in school. So when you were here, every now and then you would do fluency. Your fluency was you would have so many problems that you would have to do in like a minute. So let's say we're going to work for a minute. Now, I'm not going to write into this one because it is another student. So I copied the page and have it right here. So for example, let's say I start my timer and I start going and writing my answers. I'm multiplying by 10. I'm only giving myself 1 minute. Give me just a second. I'm going to set my timer on my watch. This is something that you can set your timer at home, your kitchen timer, or tell your mom, or you can try and set a timer. But I'm going to set a timer for 1 minute and it's going. So I'm going to see how many of these I can do in 1 minute. Okay, so my time is up. That was 1 minute, so I'm going to press my timer stop. Now, I only got to 22 for this round. So up here at the top, I'm going to write, this is where your parents will come in and check, or you'll take a calculator. I'm going to say that I got 22 correct. Now, again, this is something that you need to check. So I'm just going to go ahead for the sake of the video to tell you that they're all correct, which I'm assuming they are. And I'm putting 22 up here at the top. Now, I'm going to, in your book, if we are on page 3, it says A. Well, now that we've done A, I want to flip to B, okay? I want to flip to B, and you should have a whole new paper. Now, remember, I'm not writing in this workbook, so I've got the page printed out. So I'm coming over here to my page B. Sorry, my camera keeps moving. Page B. And I'm going to go back to my timer and I'm going to reset my timer and I'm going to see how many I can do this time. Now, I want to try and get further than I did last time. That's my goal, to get more than 22. My whole point is to get further than I did just a minute ago. Now, just because I get further doesn't mean I stop, so I'm going to keep going. I want to see how far I can get. Okay, my timer's going off, so I'm pressing stop. and I got to 27. So now I'm coming up here to where it says number correct. Let's say I got all 27 correct. And then I flip back to page A. Well, it wants my improvement number. So 27 minus 22 is 5. So I improved by 5 questions. So your goal every time we do fluency is you're going to do A and B, and then you're going to try and beat your A score. So if you get 22 the first time, you want to get more than 22 the second time. Okay, so this is how we will do fluency every single week. If you have any questions, please let me know. Bye.